May I have your attention to everyone? So please stand up to your unay na. Come on, kids, stand up, kids. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Hi, come on, stand up, stand up, stand up. Come on, kids, stand up, stand up. Everybody, please stand up, everyone. There you go. Alright, Bobby, stand up. Stand up again. And this time, before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kevin Brian Bautista, and I'm your host for today. And the reason why I told you to stand up, because our birthday celebrant is now ready. Are you guys ready? Everybody say yes! Come on guys, make it louder and show some love. Are you guys ready? Say yes! Once again, clap your hands and show some love for our birthday boy, Kaden, together with mommy and daddy. Everybody clap for your hands! Everybody bring out your phone and take some photo souvenir on our birthday family, especially our birthday boy Kaden.